Hi, my name is Lab-Cano. I'm going to talk about the comparative anatomy lab we had at Gimnasio Campestre. First of all, I want to thank Maria Elena Bustamante and Diego Parra. It was a great experience. We started with the shark. We basically worked with three species, a pig, a shark, and a frog. As I already said, we started with the shark. Once it was open, it was possible to see that in the respiratory system they breathe with branchias and gills because they need to breathe underwater. So the process is different to process molecules that contain oxygen underwater than in the land or outside the water where we mammals live. In the digestive system, it was basically made of a stomach and an intestine. Then we move on to the frog. In the frog, we found in the digestive system the intestine and a small and large intestine and a stomach designed to digest insects basically. We also, in the respiratory system, we found lungs. It was the change from sharks to frogs. We found lungs because frogs need to be outside the water in order to get their food, because most of their food is outside the water. After that, we saw the brain of the frog, and then we moved on to the pig. The pig is a mammal, so the closest species that we saw from us is the third one in the evolutionary chain that from those three animals that we saw. So once we opened it, we found our respiratory system basically made of the trachea, the esophagus, the larynx, the lungs. So pigs need to breathe outside the water, such as us mammals, because they are mammals, and we humans are mammals. In the digestive system, we found a stomach, a large intestine, which if we get it all long, because it is like kind of a squeeze, if we get it all the way long, we could find around 1 or 2 meters long small intestine. This was a baby pig. And well, basically, these three animals are part of the evolutionary chain. So in conclusion, I get that adaptation has made evolution to create new organs, such as lungs for animals that breathe outside the waters, because it depends where animals live, the organs they need. Animals that live outside the water, they need to use lungs. Animals that live inside the water, they need to use the branches. And in the digestive system is the same, and it also depends on what we eat, what animals eat, because some animals eat different kind of food than the others. We eat food that is already processed, but the rest of the animals eat pretty much food that is like what they found, they eat it. It was a great experience.